If you are encountering the TikTok unable to authorize, please try again error on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 17. Then there are few troubleshooting steps you can try to fix this issue. So let's get started. The first one is check your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable Wi Fi or mobile data connection because a weak or unstable connection could prevent TikTok from authorizing as well. If you are on Wi Fi, restart your router to improve connection stability. Now, after that, go back to the settings again and tap on the General, then tap on iPhone Storage, and from the long list of apps, simply tap on the TikTok app option available there. Now, inside the TikTok, simply tap on the Offload app and offload the TikTok app and reinstall it. Once you do so, simply go to the App Store and search for the TikTok app in the search address bar. Once you find the TikTok app, if there is an update option available right next to it, then simply tap on the update and update the TikTok to its latest version. Running an outdated version of TikTok may cause issues with authorizations as well. Now, go to the settings, tap on the general, then tap on the software update and update your iOS version to the latest software as well. If there is an install option available, simply tap on the install and update it to the latest version. After you update it, simply go back to the settings general again and scroll down, tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.